In this video I'll take you through 5 more Workmate mods. Each modification has its own video and I'll leave links to those in the description. First up is my painting station. This is simply a roll of lining paper that's always available on the Workmate. And you just use it to cover the surface of the Workmate when you're painting. Because it's always available, you use it. If it's not there, you'll find that you cut corners and you won't use it. So that's been an excellent addition, and you'll see it in a lot of my videos being used when I'm painting things. My next update I call PowerMate. This is simply an extension lead that fits on the Workmate so that you've got power directly to the Workmate for your power tools, so you don't have so many cables running along the ground in your workshop. So let me show you how that works. As you can see, it's removable, although to be frank I very rarely need to remove it, but it can be removed if necessary. When it's not in use, the cable coils round the back, and as is common with all of my mods, it doesn't get in the way of any of the basic functions of the Workmate, such as being able to fold it up, and I'll demonstrate that now. Mods 3 and 4 are variations on a theme. They're both what I call soft jaws. One is bench dogs that have been covered in foam, and the other is jaws that go the whole length of the Workmate that are covered in foam. I use these when I want to clamp parts that have already been finished and I don't want to scratch the surfaces of the parts. So the bench dogs will be self-explanatory. You just put them in and use them as you want. The soft jaws simply fit in like this. So when you're clamping something, you've got the whole surface here that's nice foam, so that you don't damage what you're trying to clamp. I designed some clamps for the soft jaws so that they're always available on the Workmate, and again they don't get in the way of the folding up of the Workmate. So the soft jaws just live here. These, if you're interested, these brackets are available on Thingiverse and I'll leave a link to those. But you can see that when I fold it down, they don't get in the way at all. Finally, I have my Woodwork Vice. This fits where the rear jaws are at the moment. Let me show you how that works. Details of all these mods are available in my other videos. I hope you've enjoyed this summary of 5 more Workmate mods. If you have, please leave a thumbs up. I've got more Workmate mods on the way, so if you're interested in them, please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.